Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys my toilet fragrance that I basically use. This one is a Crystal Beads air freshener. So if you guys would like to save tons of money and to make your restroom smell like a press, and you have a lot of options that you can choose, that you can add on. I got this from a dollar store for $1, and I'm able to use a fabric conditioner as a refill. This one I use Gain fabric softener, or I either use a Suavitel. I use this one, Suavitel. So that's a fabric conditioner I basically use to refill. If you see those red crystal beads, once you buy this wizard from a dollar store, you can get this like $1. And you don't need to spend money for the freshener for your restroom. Because a lot of people nowadays, they spend a lot of money for the freshener for the restroom, and some of the restroom that they have, they don't smell like this one. It smell like a flower because I use Suavitel and I use a fabric softener made by Gain. And this wizard crystal beads air freshener, they smell like a rose, but not as strong like the Suavitel and then the Gain softener. So once you guys will see that crystal bead, because this crystal bead, you will see once you buy it, it's a big bead balls that you can see it up to there. But after 3 weeks, it will be depleted all the way down. So to use the bead again, all you need to do is to use the Suavitel. So I basically pour a Suavitel to this. As you see, I put a Gain today rather, but sometimes I use Suavitel. I can guarantee guys, if you guys will use this type of air freshener for your restroom, it smells like a press flowers scent that can last for a month. So you don't need to buy an expensive air freshener for your restroom. This one can save you tons of money. Okay, this is how you guys to save tons of money by getting a $1 container like this, the wizard from a dollar store, and now you use the Suavitel, or either you use the Gain. I can guarantee this one it smells really good. And you can also use this to your vehicle. If you are able to put this under the chair, if your chest a little bit high, you are able to put this under your car seat. I can guarantee guys, your car smells so really good. It smells like a flowers, so you will not get wrong. Again, this is a wizard container, and I use again and the Suavitel. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. If you guys found my video helpful, don't forget to give me one like, one share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I catch you guys later for my next video. God bless. Bye for now.